everyone, welcome back to the Autocar Mods. The 2024 Ferrari Roma isn't just a car. It's a statement. A revival of elegance. A reimagining of a grand tourer for the modern world. And in a lineup of high-strung supercars, the Roma dares to be smooth. Sophisticated. This is still a Ferrari. Underneath that sculpted body lies a ferocious heart, ready to remind you exactly what the prancing horse is all about. When Ferrari's design team set out to create the Roma, they weren't looking to build another mid-engine monster. They were chasing something more timeless. The Roma draws inspiration from Ferrari's golden era cars like the 250 GT Lusso and 365 GT 2+2, with a modern twist. Look at the proportions: a long, sweeping hood, short overhangs, and a tapered fastback rear. The surfacing is clean, the lines are soft, and the details are restrained. There are no oversized vents or dramatic spoilers. It's a masterclass in understatement. Flush-mounted grille design. A break from traditional Ferrari mesh-thin, blade-style LED headlamps integrated into a sculpted eyelid. Electronically deploying rear spoiler with 3 stages of downforce 20-inch forged wheels, available in multiple finishes. Inside, the Roma might be the most livable Ferrari yet. It's a departure from the track-focused cabins of models like the 296 GTB or SF90 Stradale. Here, luxury takes the front seat, literally. Dual cockpit layout inspired by architectural symmetry, high-quality leather, Alcantara, and aluminum accents throughout. Electronically adjustable and heated seats with optional ventilation, haptic feedback controls, and capacitive touch steering wheel buttons. Center-mounted haptic control pad for gear selection, optional JBL premium sound system. One of the Roma's biggest surprises? It's actually usable. With a 10.3 cubic foot trunk and 2 small rear seats, more symbolic than functional, but they exist. The Roma can handle a weekend getaway with ease. Under the hood, beating heart of the Roma, a 3.9-liter twin-turbocharged V8, mounted up front but pushed as far back as possible to maintain near-perfect balance. This isn't just any V8, it's Ferrari's award-winning F154 engine, refined to perfection. 3.9L twin-turbo V8, 612 horsepower at 5,750 to 7,500 RPM, 561 lb-ft of torque from just 3,000 RPM, 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, side-slip control 6.0 for adaptive traction. 0 to 60 miles per hour comes in 3.3 seconds, and it pulls all the way past 199 miles per hour. But it's not just about the numbers, it's the delivery. Power is smooth, responsive, and available whenever you ask for it. And the soundtrack? Of course, a car like this doesn't come cheap. The Roma starts around $243,000, but option it well, and you're easily pushing $300,000. Still, for many, this is the most accessible front-engine Ferrari in years. 7-year free maintenance included, customization through Ferrari tailor-made program, high resale value, and growing collector interest in V8 front-engine Ferraris. The 2024 Ferrari Roma is proof that elegance and performance don't have to be at odds. It's a car that looks back to Ferrari's heritage while driving boldly into the future. Understated yet undeniable. 2024 Ferrari Roma, from $243,000. Subscribe for more deep dives. Let us know, would this be your first Ferrari?